Hi all. So today I'm starting a new initiative where I'll present my research in front of you all guys. So this is related to Indian stock market or let's say currency market for this analysis video. And here I have extracted data for USD INR from Yahoo Finance and from 2021 till 2023. Here you can see the dates are visible here. So, the purpose of the analysis here is let's say you want to trade in USDINR, but you don't know how to track the market or what is the behavior of the market in the current month or let's say in the year. So, and currency markets are almost repetitive and seasonal in nature. So, what we can do is with this help of this analysis we can develop a 2 3 strategies or let's say a key takeaway points from which we can trade the USD INR very effectively. So my a little bit about my background here is I have worked with a prop desk in India. You all have heard that name, but I can't take that name live here. So it's the number one trading firm prop desk in India. And I was working as a market analyst. And I am currently working in a big firm. Again, I can take the name, it's a corporate. And this analysis is regarding my crux for the market. So let's begin with it. So here I have tried to identify if a monthly open of USD INR is let's say this point. So what are the chances that it will hit again that monthly open in that current month? So what we can do with this analysis? So let's say if market is hitting that monthly open frequently, then we can say that market is range bound. And we can do range bound trading strategies like option selling, you can do risk undefined methods. You can sell futures or buy futures if market is down. And the basic property of USD INR has been a upward trending market from the previous, let's say 30 40 years. So what we can do here is, let's say I will explain you my analysis from in the in the month 5th in 2021. What has happened is monthly open was this 74.09. And again, if I want to test that it has tested the monthly open, what I can check is if the monthly open is between high and low of any given day, I can say it has touched the monthly open. So let's say 74.1 approximately is between 74.47 and 73.73. It's correct, right? So I can say it has touched the monthly open again. So for like that, I've done this thing for every given month. Here, there are a bit of formulas which you have to change based on your needs to get to this analysis. So here, what will happen is I have done this analysis for till 2023. So, and in the end, what I have done is I've written how many times in the given month it has touched the monthly open. Okay. So let's say in the fifth month, it has touched 2 times. So I've written 2 over here. Okay. So similarly, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for 2021, it has touched this many times. 2022, it has touched this many times. And 2023, it has touched this many times. So on an average, I have written over here that how many times it has touched. the given monthly open. And I've made the pivot table also, from which we can identify how many times in the given month it has touched the monthly open by date. So let's say in the first month, from first to 10th date, it has touched the monthly open 8 times. Okay. So like this, I have identified my things that, let's say, in the first 10 days, if it is hitting the monthly open, the count is 55. So in the first 10 days, I'll write here 1 to 10. It has touched 55 times. 1, 2, 10. Okay. In the second 10 days, it has touched how many times? We'll see. 21 to 31 for the last 10 days. Okay. So from 11 to 20, it has touched 25 times. And from 22 to 31, it has touched 21 times. 21 times. Okay. So here what I'm trying to say is, in the first 10 days, the theta decay is very less. So if you are doing option selling strategies, it will be not that fruitful if you do option selling strategies for the first 10 days. So you should go for option buying, right? So here I highlight this, and here I'll do. So if it is 11 to 20 days, the theta decay is almost neutral. So let's say we can do both option buying and selling. And for 21 to 30 days, you can go for option selling. So if you want to identify that and do option selling from 21 to 31 day, so what we can do is, in we can get the month from here, right? So what we can say is, out of here, the count is 7. From 21 to 31, if it touch the monthly open, the count is 7. And it was in Jan, Feb, and March month. So in Jan, Feb, and March month, we can do option selling from 15th day to get the decay till the 21st day, because the probability of touching the monthly open is higher. Now, what we'll do is, in the fifth here, this month also has the highest probability of touching. So what we can do is the 7th, right? July month also has the probability of touching, and this month, December, it's also have a higher probability of touching. Jan, Feb, March, July, and November also. Jan, Feb, March, November, July. So we can write here Jan, Feb, March, July, November, December. We can do option selling in this month because there is a higher probability of selling, like hitting the monthly open. So we are most likely to get the theta decay, or let's say delta move in the option selling in this month. And we what with what we will choose our strike is the monthly open for that month. Okay, so this was the analysis. If you like this analysis, and if you want me to make the future analysis videos, please like, subscribe Markets Live, and I will post this analysis like based on your request also. Like you can comment in which market you want analysis videos, or I'll do the analysis based on my past experience, like what we can use and how we can trade the market based on the data. So it's a game of probability, right? So the higher the probability of winning, you can hit the higher home runs. So let me know what kind of videos you all want, and I'll post the analysis. Thank you so much, guys. Thank